Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. So before getting into that, I want to tell you that I am planning to prepare NPTEL preparation videos guys, completely MCQs. So it is completely based on NPTEL syllabus only. So there will be minimum 200 to 300 practice MCQs. So you can many people are who watching this video are students and it may be a semester subject. So keeping in that view, I am giving this student offer as just 89 rupees guys. So not only single course, with 89 rupees you can get all the courses that I upload. Here you can see that I have already uploaded some preparation videos. So cloud computing, soft skill, DBMS, and there are NPTEL preparation videos for IoT also from previous years. So now I am again giving the solutions freshly in the form of MCQs guys, which will be similar to the final exam pattern. So I think it will helpful for you to get better prepared before the final exam. So use this opportunity guys. For just 89 rupees you are getting this. So not only single course, for 89 rupees you can get all courses that I upload, not only single course. So I think it is very much beneficial for you with just cheap price. So no one will give you like this, and no one is preparing these videos also. So keeping note on this, so please try to join your friends and classmates also if it is your subject in a semester, so you can combinedly get benefit. So guys, if you have any doubts regarding this, you can ask me in the comment section. So use this offer guys, and I hope you use this opportunity to the great extent. So it will be very much helpful for you, I hope. So now how to join I will show you. So go to our channel page. I will give this link also in the description. So just you can go to our channel page, and beside the subscribe button there is join button, right? So click on this join button. There will be three types of packs. If you want live videos, if I upload any, so you can get that for 119 per month. In 119 pack you can get benefits of both 59 and 89 pack also guys. So it's better to take 119 pack, or if you want only recorded videos, then you can go to 89 per month pack and click on join button. So that's it, you will become member of our channel and get access to all these videos with just 89 rupees only per month. So use this opportunity. So almost 3/4 of NPTEL syllabus is over and exams are fast approaching, so use this opportunity. So if you join more of your classmates and spread this information, if more people join, then I will get encouragement to do the next part of the videos better than the first parts. So guys, use this opportunity. So let's see the solutions for this week. Guys, you can see many people have joined. These are just top 8 members, but many people have joined and still joining many more members. So try to join as fast as possible. Let's see the next question, solutions of week 8 assignment of Introduction to Internet of Things course. Guys, from many weeks I am giving most accurate solutions. With that confidence I am giving these preparation videos. So do join in this and get benefited. So first question, which among the following are core challenges of traditional mobile networks? So for first question, the answer is option D, all of the given. That means scalability, flexibility and manageability. So mark option D. So let's move on to the second question now. So second question, network virtualization enables dash of physical resources. So what it enables? So it enables abstraction. So mark option B. So let's move on to the third question now. Third question. In comparison to software defined networks SDN, traditional networks are cost expensive with respect to which of the following? Guys, here capex means capital expenditure. Capex means capital expenditure. OPEX means operational. So here what is the answer? Capital expenditure and open expenditure. So here the answer is option A. Both capital and operational expenditure is more than software defined networks for traditional networks. So mark option A. Next question. General OpenFlow supports both wireless and wired connections. Is this statement true or false? So here the answer is option B, false. It does not support wireless one, only supports wired. So that means given statement is false. So mark option B. Let's move on to the fifth question now. With respect to software defined data center networking, dash can use wildcards and dash uses exact match rules. So when you get the term wildcard, you should remember that it is related to mice flows, and when you see the exact match rules word, it should be elephant flows. So mark option A. Mice flows comma elephant flows is the answer. Option A. So let's move on to the sixth question now. So in sixth question, in cloud computing model, which among the following are characteristics of computing resources? The characteristics of computing resources. So for sixth question, the answer is all these three are correct. That means option D, all of this is the answer. Let's move on to the seventh question now. Seventh question. IaaS, PaaS and SaaS. These three are examples of what type of cloud models? So for seventh question, the correct answer is option B, cloud service models. So mark option B as correct answer for seventh question. So let's move on to the eighth question now. So here an organization A wants to deploy a cloud infrastructure whereby it wants to push majority of the data to the cloud, whose servers can be situated anywhere in the globe. And remember this point guys, situated anywhere in the globe, and certain part private data to be pushed only to the cloud servers that are present on premise. So here it is combination, right? Majority of data should be can be present anywhere, and the other one should be only on premise. So by seeing this, I am getting the solution that it is public plus private. So it could be possibly option C, hybrid guys, but it can be also private cloud. So I'm not sure about this eighth question, but most probably option C is the answer, because here they said majority of data can be situated anywhere within the globe, so it may be public, and definitely on premise is private, so it is a combination, so it is hybrid one, right? So I have got the answer as hybrid. So maybe option C is the most probable solution. Guys, if you can confirm me, you can do that in the comment section. So please confirm it if it is option C or not. But I think option C is the answer. Moving on to the ninth question now. Which of the following type of client requires constant communication or connection with the cloud server? So for ninth question, the answer is option A, thin client. Because thick client no need a constant connection, so the answer is option A, thin client. Mark option A. And moving on to this 10th question, fill in the blank. Typically cloud computing have dash components. That means how many number of components does the cloud computing have? So for 10th question, the answer is option C, 6. Typically cloud computing have 6 components. So mark option C as correct answer for 10th question. Let's move on to the 11th one. 11th question, what does CIA in cloud data security stand for? So for 11th question, the answer is option A, confidentiality, integrity and availability. These three are the terms or letters used in CIA. C means confidentiality, I means integrity and A means availability. So mark option A as correct answer for 11th question. Let's move on to the 12th question now. In SaaS model of cloud computing, which of the following acts as the thin client? So the answer is option C, web browser. Web browser acts as the thin client in SaaS model of cloud computing, software as a service. Next question, 13th one. Data in dash and data at dash are two important aspects of data security. So for 13th question, here data in transit and data at rest. So the answer is option C. So mark option C as correct answer for 13th question. And moving on to the 14th one, which among the following is a metric for SLA in cloud computing? So for 14th question, all these three are the probable solutions. So for 14th one, option D could be the possible option, because service level agreements in cloud computing, definitely we want all these, right? Availability, portability and response time. So option D is the probable one for 14th question. Let's move on to the 15th question now. So in 15th question, the question is, which of the following cloud computing model does AWS EC2 belong to? So guys, as I said above, if you want practice MCQs particularly designed for NPTEL students and completely based on NPTEL syllabus, you can join with just 89 rupees student offer. So you can get nearly 200 to 300 practice MCQs, maybe more than that if the situation demands. So you will get IoT course and also many courses for just 89 rupees only. In order to get that, you can go to our channel page and click on join button. I will also give link in the description. Go to click on the join button and select 89 per month or 119 pack. Suppose here I am selecting 89 pack and click on join button and make payment. That's it, you will become member of our channel. So guys, use this opportunity and recommend to your friends and make them also to join in this exam preparation MCQs, so that you can get better preparation ahead of the final exam. So for final question, the 15th one, the answer is AWS EC2 belong to option A, infrastructure as a service. So mark option A. So friends, these are the solutions for week 8 assignment of Introduction to Internet of Things course. So hope this video helpful for you. If you feel the same, please subscribe our channel, like this video and share this to your friends also. So guys, as I said, if you want better preparation ahead of the final exam, you can join in our 89 pack and you can get lot of benefit by that. I hope you can get all the courses that I upload, not only single course. So every course you can get combinedly for 89 rupees only per month. So use this opportunity guys. If you have any doubts, please ask me in the comment section. So until the next video, goodbye, thank you.